You thought nobody was here. This guy over here, just make it behind me. I think they've kind of had all of the meat at the moment. There's so much rubbish in there. Do have some sausages. Don't think I brought them with me. Just got the I've got in this bag. Within my other bag. Ooh. Grew. Bowl them a whole one. Someone does well. Oosh. Ooh. You need to just have a look at it. What's that? That's like your own weight food. Lard, effectively. There it goes, safety growth. You wouldn't have your eye out with that, would he? What do you think? Can you still breathe while you're flying like that? Right. Might just have to have a page of this. If I can open it with gloves on. Try and read the instructions. Foreign. Come on. Oh, they're all waiting. Waiting for you to open that. Yeah, I had to get the penknife on it. Have you eaten all the peanuts? God, that wouldn't take long, did it? Oh, this smells. Oh, I'm gonna have to eat this myself. Oh, crow food. Look at that. Crow ham. God, guys, you're gonna love this. It's like the farmer's sausage, but really big. Come on. Oh, dude. The thing about ham is you can get more than one bit of it. Oh! You didn't let the seagull get that, did you? Oh, some seagulls getting some of this. There you go, fella. There you go. There you go. Have you got some, fella? Come on. Have you all had some ham? Stuff is gorgeous. And as far as you know, it tasted exactly like seagull. I see the guy with the beak full. He's still loading up. Good on you, mate. Oh, there's a gun tree here. Thinking this guy over here, and that guy must be burying something. See that guy join in. Oh, he flew away. Come on. I'll walk back behind this tree, and then I got going through the other guy. Oh, gorgeous. Right, there you go, fellas. Hope you all got something to eat. See you later. Tomorrow, that'll be.